Hello. Today we take a look at the Andoer macro extension ring set for Canon lenses. If you order the Andoer macro extension ring set, you receive the following package. The packaging is kept very simple and is also very light. Therefore I can say pretty exactly that the intermediate rings are made of entire plastic. The set is available in 4 colors. Let's take a look inside the box. Here we find the 3 rings in the description. If you hold the rings in your hand, they are really very light. As already suspected, there is a lot of plastic. Okay, let's take a closer look at the rings. You get 3 sizes here. The 31mm ring, the 21mm ring, and the 13mm intermediate ring. The bayonet is made of aluminium. Everything that is blue here. The bayonet itself looks neatly manufactured in the bird. On the outside of the ring you will find prints about the ring height and the brand name. The intermediate rings have contact pins that allow your camera to communicate with the lens. The contact pins themselves are spring-loaded to ensure contact. To secure, all rings have a locking pin for your lens. This should not allow the lens to come off by itself. The lever for the pen wobbles a bit, but not to be expected for the price. It is also possible for the intermediate rings to lock into place. There is a small recess in the bayonet. The rings can be only assembled in a certain position. To do this, the triangle must be aligned with the red point. The rings sit securely and firmly. To my conclusion. The rings are only made of plastic and a little aluminium, but for the price, the quality and workmanship is okay. I wouldn't mount very heavy and expensive lenses on the rings, otherwise something in the plastic could tear and break. But with light lenses in the hobby area there should be no problems. Therefore perfectly fine for any macro newbie. They are cheap and you can get your first experience with them. Hence a recommendation for this target group. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, we would be very happy to receive a like, subscription or comment. Many more videos will follow on our channel in the future. We would therefore be happy if you became a part of our community. See you next time!